very Irish. And I was alone in a farm accommodation. And it was, I don't know what, perhaps 5 o'clock p.m. And just behind farm accommodation was a very small mountain. I had plenty lot of time, and I've decided to climb up to the top of the mountain. And after a walk, about 20 or half an hour, I was on the summit of the mountain. From there, the landscape was marvelous, quite marvelous. We could see at the horizon the ocean, not too far. And on the top of the small mountain was a wall of dry stones. You understand dry stones? Mm-hmm. And I was there alone, it was magnificent. And suddenly, it is true what I say.
Of course.
I have seen just behind the wall of dry stone what you call in Irish leprechauns.
Yes.
Leprechauns.
Yeah, leprechauns.
And one of them was a very strange hat, a red hat, was looking at me fiercely. And with his hand, with his finger, he made like this. Never in my life I've been so afraid. I've begun to climb down the mountain. I ran so fast as I could. But after a while, the leprechauns were making something like a barrage in front of me. No possible to come back onto the summit of the mountains. They were there. And to come back to the farm accommodation, they were making a barrage. I had no solution. And they were always looking at me fiercely. I was lost. It was the last moment of my life. And suddenly, I have had an idea. I began to tell them a Breton ghost stories. And the leprechauns were so frightened that they disappeared into the mist. Conclusion, Breton ghosts are much more frightening than Irish ghosts.